Hi, it's Mild Red Songbird, Mild Red Birdsong in New York City. We're looking at a picture of Galileo, the father of modern science. This is Galileo now, Robin Birdsong. And this is Earl George, Earl Percy, Indiana Jones. Okay, she was also Queen Victoria, and he was her husband, Prince Consort Albert. Okay, and this is His Royal Highness Crown Prince Guillaume. That's Robin Birdsong, who was Galileo, and that's me, Mild Red Songbird, Mild Red Birdsong. This is a picture of our book, Sneezy the Greasy Babysits Abigail, by Michelle Birdsong and Robin Birdsong, illustrated by T.J. Robshaw. Okay, let me get to work here. I've got some information, very interesting information. Galileo, invention and contribution, called the father of modern science, by Natalie Alonso, updated April 23rd, 2018. Few individuals have had as profound an impact on science as Italian physicist and astronomer Galileo. His groundbreaking inventions and discoveries earned him the title Father of Modern Science, with contributions in math, physics, and astronomy. Galileo's innovative, experiment-driven approach to science made him a key figure of the scientific revolution of the 16th and 17th centuries. During this time, he all but disproved the Aristotelian physics and cosmology that had previously dominated the sciences in Europe. Galileo's work on proving the heliocentric model of the galaxy brought him into conflict with the Catholic Church. The planets revolve around the sun. Galileo is Robin Birdsong, Galileo, is the granddaughter of the sun, the supreme beam. Okay, his experiments in motion. Up here, this is interesting. It says twins. The breast, that's breast, eye, nature's secret. You know the nipple, that's the eye of the breast. Within it, nature's secret. Valuable substance in nature's secret breast for the infant, for the newborn. So it says the call for heliocentric. In the 16th century, Polish astronomer Nicholas Copernicus, who is now Joel Osteen, who was also Moses, became the first scientist to promote a model of the solar system in which the Earth orbited its sun, rather than the other way around. The sun is alive. This is my note. We talk and we dance. He gives me power, whatever I want. Gurinder Singh says, he loves me. I'm his child. He'll give me whatever I want. Okay, want. I, breast, and angel, ordered terrestrial. Okay. They call angel breast. They identify her that way, as breast. Hanging breast. Okay. Aristotelian theory of let's see, where am I? Earth-centered solar system in favor of Copernicus, heliocentric model in favor of his observations. Where is that at? Anyway, the presence of moons in orbit around Jupiter suggested that the Earth was not the solar center of motion in the cosmos as Aristotle had proposed. Also, the realization that the surface of the moon is rough disproved the Aristotelian view of a perfect, immutable celestial realm. Galileo's discoveries, including the theory of solar rotation as suggested by shifts in sunspots, incurred the wrath of the Catholic Church, which espoused the Aristotelian system. Okay, let's look at some of the things I decoded. Shifts. I fits talk and share. Yes. What I see helps me to do talk and share. It's body language. Aristotelian. Her, I see, terrestrial, ordering, at risk. Terrestrial, ordering, terrestrial, energy, tell. Einstein will, I was Einstein, wills, and Einstein Evangeline, wills, angel, angle, as goodwill, energy. Okay, that was pretty straightforward, huh? Over here, presented, defined, part of talking, what was it? Sunspots, decoded. See your niche, nature secrets, presented, defined, part of talk and share. Define, part of talk and share, yes. Nature secrets, you can get revealed to you when you do talk and share. Empire. Eve Mirror presents her empire. Okay, the terrestrial empire. C system. Yes. Why yes? Yes. Terrestrial empire. Pi. The thing that fits with anything, right? Fire in the sky. That's the sun. The sun's on fire, right? In the sky. Sun is the key. She, Eve, is also the key to the terrestrials' empire, and they're both terrestrials. Corinda sings the sun is a terrestrial, and Eve, Evangeline, is also a terrestrial. They're both from the star, the sun. I'm almost done. Upon finding him guilty of heresy in 1633, we're talking about Galileo again. In 1633, the Roman Inquisition forced Galileo to rescind his support of heliocentrism and sentenced him to home imprisonment. He would eventually die, still under arrest, in 1642, because the Catholic Church didn't want to accept the fact that the earth revolves around the sun. The sun is the supreme being, not the earth, and they didn't want to know that, because they want to weave their own story about creation and the world. Alright, this is my red songbird in New York. I'll talk to you again soon.